What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I am doing things a little bit different now. I see that you can make a short form video, but as long as you give the information out there. So I will be back making short form videos, 10 minutes or less, which I don't talk that much in videos. I like being behind the camera. That's why faceless automation videos work for me. But sometimes I like informing the crowd on YouTube of certain things, and I see another channel that does exactly this and they get a lot of video views, but they're more into politics. But I'm more into finance, art, things like that. So tech. One thing about tech I want to say, guys, man, please think about your future, your kids' future in tech, because AI is going to take a lot of jobs. I'm going to be talking about that a lot. I've researched a lot of stuff as far as these tech CEOs. Man, the future is crazy. It's going to be millions of jobs lost because of AI, chat GPT, things like that. But I wanted to make this video because I'm not making any more shorts. I'm done with shorts. They help out as far as views and things like that, but they don't really make me any kind of money at all. So long form video, it's always going to be here as far as more ads and things like that. If you're on YouTube, we want to have a great YouTube channel, but we're here to make some kind of money as well. And everyone knows that, you know what I mean? If you have a YouTube channel or you come here for information, advice, things like that, you know that we try to inform but also make some kind of living on here. And I'm very grateful for YouTube. It helps out teenagers, you know, that start these things and they game on here, and they some people have gained fame from here, from YouTube. But YouTube is awesome, man. You just got to know what you're doing. You can't curse on here because they're cutting down on ads and things like that, or at least the first couple minutes. I don't curse on my channel anyway, so I try not to curse. I try to be respectful in here as far as comments, things like that as well. But I am done with short form videos. I will be making at least one video per day informing tech, business, fintech, anything dealing with all of that thing, all of those that affect our everyday lives. I will inform because I can and I have the information. My blog is adidaswilson.com. I have a travel blog as well, Nomad Treneur, NOMADTREENEUR, nomadtreneur.com. And my tech blog is VoltronAI.com, VoltronAI, one word.com. So I can post that below in the description as well. Thank you guys. Please subscribe. And over the years that this channel has been established, man, I want to thank all of you who contributed the information as well, because I do look that stuff up when you inform me of something. So thank you all for being here, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.